Today, Kipsters? Yes, we're going to be reading diagrams and words with diagrams. Kipsters, we talked about diagrams, but can somebody tell me what a diagraph is? Everybody all together? Because we talked about two different types of diagrams too. We talked about some diagrams like this, and we talked about some diagrams that have bonus letters. Somebody raise a quiet hand and tell me what's the difference between a bonus letter like this and a bonus letter with diagrams. Yes, Afeni, can you tell me the difference? Loud and proud, please. Nice. Kipsters. Bonus letter are two letters that are the same. And these diagrams here are two letters that are different. Afeni, please call on somebody with a quiet raised hand to lead us through the diagrams on the yellow cards to make sure we understand and remember all our diagrams. Luna, Luna, please come up. All right, are all eyes laser focused on Luna and repeating after Luna. Go ahead, Luna. Thank you very much, Luna. Everybody say thank you to Luna. Now, I need everybody to show me the hand motions. We're going to go through these one more time. WH whistle what? CH chin ch. SH ship sh. TH thumb. CK sock. Luna, can you call on somebody with a quiet raised hand to go through these diagrams with us? Jasmine. Okay. And these are also glued sounds. ING ranking. Thank you very much. Thank you. That's another glued sound, but it does.
No, thank you.
We'll come back to it. Everybody again, everybody doing the motions. ANG bang ang. ING ring ing. ONG song on. UNG lung un. ALL ball all. Nice. So keep you right now. I'm going to be looking at some diagrams. I want you to tell me what sounds they make. And then I'm going to want somebody to come up with examples of different words that have these in them. So this diagram here makes the what sound? Nice. Okay, Jasmine, calling somebody with a quiet raised hand to give me an example of a word that has the ch sound in it. Mateo. Chip. Ooh, I love chips. Nice. Mateo, calling somebody else with a quiet raised hand to give us another example.
D'Angelo.
D'Angelo, what's another one?
Stop.
Chop. Nice. I love chopped spinach. Hipsters, what is this sound here? Just like in waterfall, waterfalls. Okay. D'Angelo, calling somebody with a quiet raised hand to give us a word that starts with the sh sound. Ship. Stella, calling somebody else, please. Iris. Oh, that's right. If you've already had a turn, keep your hand down. Stella, calling somebody else, please, quickly. 3. Andres, can you give us a word that has a sh sound in it? No, that's chin. This is what? Okay. Do you want to try again or get some help? Okay, try again. Okay. We've had. Yeah. Okay. Andres, calling somebody else with a quiet raised hand? To give Nathan, give us a different example of a word that has in 3. Oh, we've already had ship. Calling somebody else with a quiet raised hand. 3, 2, 1. Dylan, what's another word? That's everybody say but this here is what? Dylan, calling somebody with a quiet raised hand to give us another example. Veronica, what's an example? 3. Shed. Everybody say shed. Yeah. Hipsters, what is this sound here? What is the sound? Everybody together. The sound. No, thank you. Is what? What's another one? Very good. Veronica, calling somebody with a quiet raised hand to give us an example of a word that has or in it. Somebody who's not had a chance. 3. Aaliyah. Very nice. Iris. And Aaliyah, calling somebody with a quiet raised hand to give us another example. Logan, give us another example, please. All eyes and ears laser focus on Logan, please. Seth. Very nice. From our book, Seth. Yep, it has one at the end. Okay. Next, Kipsters. Right now, I want us to say, what is this sound here? What is this sound here? What is this sound here? Hipsters, remember, we don't say ka, but it is k. Hipsters, I have a question. I heard that there are different ways that we can write the k sound. What are the ways we could write the k sound? Everybody? Everybody again? CKC. One more time. CKC. Hipsters, if we put this diagram to get everybody, thank you for eyes. Thank you, D'Angelo, for eyes and pencil on the ground. Thank you, Dylan, for eyes and pencil on the ground. Abdiel, thank you for eyes and pencil on the ground. Thank you. Hipsters, for this diagram here, what if I added this in front of it? What would it be? Ing, everybody. ING ring ing. What if I put this sound in front of it? It would be U-N-G, long, What if I put this sound in front of it? Ang, A-N-G, fang, ang. What if I put this sound in front of it? It would be O-N-G, song, oh. Very good. Yep, we did not do A-L-L, ball, all, but we will. Hipsters. These are two letters that make one sound, but these are different. How are these different? Yes, Pedro. Oh, sorry. Who's calling on somebody next? Aaliyah, call on somebody to tell me. Oh, Logan. Yes, Logan, tell me. Call on somebody, please. Andres. Okay. Okay, call on one other person. If you've already called out, if you've already had a turn, please do not raise your hand. 3, 2, 1. Haley, how are these different from the other digraphs that we just looked like? How are these different, Kaylee? Yep, the two letters are the same. And what about here? The two letters are the same, yet we have bonus letters, and the two letters are the same. Just I have a question. How do we pronounce this here? No, how do we pronounce it? Nice. How do we pronounce this? And how do we pronounce this? Ooh. Nice job. So right now, we are going to skip this for a moment. But we're going to practice. We're going to practice these bonus letters by reading these words together and filling out this activity sheet. So Miss Alexa and I are going to pass around the activity sheets for you. And we're going to work on some of them together. And then you're going to have a chance to finish them with a partner. Here.
Be ready, lift up your hand and grab one. Levanta la mano para que agarres una. You don't have your hand up.
What's your name?
Does everybody have one?
No.
If you do not have one, please raise your hand.
1, 2, 3, just 3 more.
3 more. Wow. Albert?
No, we can't start.
Class.
Yes.
Everyone silently write your name.
Thank you for your patience, everybody. Ba, ba, da, ba, ba. 1, 2, 3, eyes on me. Thank you, D'Angelo, for eyes on me. Thank you, Lorenzo, for eyes on me. I need all eyes on me. I'm going to explain the instructions, and I want all eyes on me. So, Kipsters, right now, we're going to be reading these words. We're going to read all of them so we know the words. And then we're going to write the appropriate words under the pictures. So everybody looking this way, pencils down. And papers down, pencils and papers down in 3, pencil and papers down in 2, pencil and papers down in 1, pencil and papers down in 0.
Jill, baja el papel.
Thank you.
Pencil down.
All right, everybody.
Iris.
Damon, pencils down, please. Damon, pencils down, please. Thank you. Okay, everybody, we're going to be reading these words. So let's start, everybody. Ready, go. Nice. Next, red. Everybody again. Everybody looking and pencils down, please. Papers down, please. Aaliyah, papers down, please. Thank you. Thank you, everybody, for having papers and pencils down. Thank you, D'Angelo, for responding so quickly and having his papers down. And all voices off and all eyes this way. Thank you very much. The next one is ready, read. Kipsters, is this egg? Wait a minute, it has 2 G's. Why isn't this egg go? Oh, yes, everybody. This is up. Voices off in 3, 2, 1. These are 2 letters. This bonus letter is part of 2 letters that stick together, and it only makes 1 sound. It doesn't make 2 sounds. Everybody reading here. Ready, read. Again. Nice. Everybody ready, read. Again. Nice. Last one here. Ready, read. Abdiel. Thank you very much. Hipsters, all pencils down. So, Kipsters, how many words do we have up here?
3.
How many words do we have? We have 6 words. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many pictures do we have here? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So is every picture going to get a word? Nope, we're going to have some left. So when we fill this out, everybody looking and listening, Leah, everybody looking and listening, you will find a word, Iris, and then you will write it under the appropriate picture. So let's do one together. Logan. So right here, we have, what does this say? What does this say? Everybody, do we see a picture of a cliff? No. Why don't we cross that one out? What is this one here? Do we see a picture of a dress? Yep. So we are going to write the word under dress. Everybody go ahead and write. Write the word dress under here. And then we're going to cross it off. Writing the word. I see Nathan is writing the word, is almost finished. I see Kaylee is finished writing the word. Escribe la palabra, por favor. Es un vestido. Dress es un vestido. Let's write the word under the picture. Nice. Nice. Muéstrame, show me. Nice. 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 ¿Dónde está la palabra para el vestido? Where's dress? Okay, nice.
Good job. Bien, ¿escribiste?
All right. Gipsters, right now, I need all eyes on me. Thank you, Aaliyah, for eyes on me. Thank you, Andres, for eyes on me. Thank you, Damon, for eyes on me. All eyes on me. Gipsters, help those around you to have eyes on me. I want to have all eyes on me. Thank you, Kaylee. I'm looking for one last person to have eyes on me. Thank you very much. Okay, right now, excuse me, Iris.
I don't know the pieces. I don't know the actress. I don't know the people.
Leah. Thank you for all us. Gipsters, right now, I'm gonna call some people. Wait, I'm talking.
Yeah.
Nathan. I'm talking Leah. Ojos, por favor. I'm gonna call some people to work with Miss Alexa to finish these up. And then other people, you will have a partner to help finish these up. Okay, Kaylee, Miss Alexa, please. Who else do I want? Afini? And down. Akiel, is Miss Alexa, please? Miss Alexa, ahorita, por favor. Albert, for Miss Alexa. All right. Gipsters, all eyes. Okay. Gipsters, I'm gonna have you working with Miss Alexa, please. Rápido, por favor. Rápido ahorita, gracias. Okay. Gipsters. Those of you who are here, I'm gonna give you a person to work with, and you can work on the other side of the paper also. So you two can work together, you can work together, you two will work together, you with Iris. You three will work together. You two will work together. You two will work together. You two will work together, and you two will work together. Let's get working. Go ahead and finish the first side of the paper, then the second side of the paper. When you finish the first side of the paper, make sure that your partner finishes it also. Work with your partner to finish and then turn the paper over. Okay, did you all finish the first side of the paper?
Yeah.
First, make sure everybody finishes the first side of the paper. Okay, first, did everybody finish the first side? Okay, you guys can get started on the second side of the paper. Very good. Make sure you read all of the words. And, oh, I see Lorenzo, he's crossed out words that he's already used. Nice job, Lorenzo.
What is this called?
Okay, can I do it now? You finish the first. Make sure you read all of those words. So, then put the answers on that page. Work with your partner.
Thank you, cross it out. And look like that. Everybody, what is? Which is? What is the egg? What is the egg? Well, this guy went, Nathan, let's go down. Nathan, let's go down.
Everybody else. Oh, make sure everybody pronounces everything also. Make sure everybody pronounces. I always. Make sure that you able to pronounce each of the words, please. Are you all finished? Okay, nice job.
Stop that one now. Now, what is,
Oh, I see.
make sure you are following the plain line.
Pick it up for me.
Observe the skyline next time, please. Point right here. Point to this way. Tap it out.
Okay.
What does it say? Oh, tap it out. No, that's not what it says.
Everybody at the carpet, please take your papers and go back to your carpet square. And then looking this way, everybody, back in your carpet square, sitting. And voices off and get ready to learn. Voices off, sitting in your carpet square. I have Carlos is sitting with his voice off. I have
No.
I have Aaliyah sitting with her voice off. Waterfall, waterfall. And bubble. Down your eyes, please. I'm looking for all eyes on me in 3. Eyes in 2. Thank you, Stella, for eyes. Thank you, Carlos, for eyes. Thank you, Veronica, for eyes. Looking for all eyes. Andres, looking for eyes and sitting correctly on the carpet. Thank you. Hipsters, what is this one here, everybody? Duck. Everybody, Iris. Everybody, eyes this way. What is this? A claw. Everybody, what is this one? Head. Nose. Hips is buff, buff. All eyes. Thank you, Veronica, for eyes on me. Thank you, Logan, for eyes on me. Looking for all eyes on me. Thank you, Luna, for eyes on me. In the purple row, looking for all eyes, please. No, thank you. Hipsters, what about this word here? Dina. What about this word here? Well. Is there a well on the paper? No, there is no well, so let's strike it out. Let's go on to the next side of the paper, everybody. Andres.
First, there's the whole picture. Pencil down.
Everybody, eyes.
Iris.
All eyes. In 3, Dylan. In 2, Aaliyah. In 1, and in 0. Thank you, Veronica, for eyes on me. Thank you, Veronica, for being a good helper to get eyes on me. Hipsters, which one is this one? Nice. Which one is this one? Well, nice. What is this one? Add. Nice. Oh, did I hear anybody say add did the? Is this add did one? No. Bring it back.
So what is this right here? What is this?
And what is this one?
What is this one here?
I'm Angel.
What is this one?
D'Angelo.
We are.
What is this one? What is
Everybody.
Thank you very much. All voices off. Thank you. Thank you, Logan, for voice off and eyes on me. Thank you, D'Angelo, for voices off and eyes on me. Looking for all eyes on me, please. Thank you, Lorenzo. Looking for two last hipsters to have eyes on me. Eyes. Thank you. So hipsters, we're gonna get ready to go back to our seats, but I'm gonna pass out another sheet. I want you to take a look at it.
This one right here, guys. Hands on your paper, everyone, all those into the bed. Ready?
For this one here,
Tap it up, Fernanda, tap it out. Tap it up for us. Fernanda, tap it up for us. Fernanda, tap it up. It's no rush.
Jasmine.
CK. CK sauce. So tap it out.
Everybody looking here, looking here, looking here.
No.
All eyes. Hipsters, we're going to read these phrases and then we're going to draw a line from the phrase to the picture. So hipsters, let's read this one here all together. Ready, go. Dylan. One, sa. Where's the picture? Dylan, over here.
Here, why have a picture of something? Write it. Write it.
Everybody reading this one here.
Yeah.
Ready, read. Where's duck quacks? Okay, up here. So hipsters, we're gonna go back to our seats. And then we're going to fill out the sheet. When I give it to you, you will do what? Iris. Iris.
Yeah. Let's go ahead and read this one. Zoe.
We're gonna write our names and then we're going to get to them. So one, eyes on me. Thank you, Veronica, for eyes. Thank you, Carlos, for eyes. Thank you, Andres, for eyes. So thank you, Angel, for eyes. Everybody sitting crisscross. Thank you. Two.
What is it? So do I have?
And three, let's quickly and quietly go back to our seat. Thank you. I see Carlos has a bubble in his mouth. Take it to your seat. Back to your seat, please. Back to your seat.
Write it.
Iris.
Write it.
Write it.
Write it. Write it. Write it. I'll write it. Give it up.
Back to your seat, please. All voices off. All voices off. Thank you.
Now, I want you.
Thank you. Green table for voices off.
Okay, go ahead.
Take one paper, pass the rest around.
What
No,
is
thank
it?
you. Voice off.
Katie. Thank you, Katie.
What are we doing with the papers? Writing our names. Take one, pass the rest around.
Go ahead, Katie. Katie, go ahead. Oh, right now, we're doing it. Did you hear the first
Let's get started.
Feel like we just cough it up.
I see Dylan has gotten started already.